Let it all out, relax it. Oh, there you go.
Shit.
A lot moved through there, huh?
Oh yeah.
Felt a lot move under my hand there. I felt that all the way down through there.
Oh, I did. It's better than before. I'll tell you that, because it was nagging earlier. Now I don't feel it as much.
We're trying to bombard the brain to send signals down here to relax all this muscle tissue down here too. By decompressing the spine, I mean, we're just, opening up all these joints, but we're also kind of resetting the brain a bit.
I could actually take a deep breath without the pain. So.
Yeah. Change some things biomechanically. So your body needs to adapt to that because it's been adapted to that old way for so long. So muscles might be tighter here, or it just feels like different. Yeah, it's just different. Now that we put you in this better adaptation, your body needs to get used to it. And that's where standing taller, shoulders back can help with that.